His singlet says UTA on it.
Where at?
The University of Texas, Arlington.
Arlington. How's his kick?
We'll find out, I guess.
Oh, I have taken several.
Maybe take a picture of the school board at the end. There he goes. There he goes. Come on, Jared. Come on, buddy. Go, Jared!
Go!
Go, Texas!
Jared!
Come on, Jared, you got it! Jack, what do you have for a time for him?
I took a picture.
4:23, I think it was.
4:23, say hi.
Awesome, he just won the race.
I can't zoom in. 4:23, you said? Oh, 4. Okay, the board says 4:21.75. I don't know if I should continue.
Wow, impressive.
You got this. You got this.
You got him by 2.
What, 200ths of 2,000?
Let's go!
200. That was such a cool race.
I don't know if
he wants me to get the rest of these guys. These commoners.
Let me get a picture of
A loser. I'm glad Jared didn't go to the moon. Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on. I can't get that closer. K2, take this picture.
Right now? Oh boy, Jared.
Congrats, Jared.